Simple discount. Like simple interest, simple discount is an amount paid for borrowing money. Unlike simple interest, it is collected or deducted in advance instead of paying it together with the principal. A simple discount is referred to as a bank discount or interest in advance. The amount that is left after the interest is deducted is called proceeds. Let us have simple discount formula. D equals the product of F, D, and T, where F is the final amount or maturity value, D is the discount rate, and T is the time. Let's have an example. Determine the interest in advance to be deducted if 20,000 pesos is due after 8 months with a discount rate of 12%. Given, final amount is 20,000 pesos, discount rate is 12% equals 0.12. T is 8 months equals 8 over 12. Solution. D equals F dt equals 20,000 pesos times 0.12 times 8 over 12. D is 1,600 pesos. Since the proceeds is obtained by deducting the discount from the final amount or maturity value, we have P equals F minus D, or P equals F minus F dt. P equals F times the quantity of 1 minus dt. Let's have an example. Determine the interest in advance to be deducted for a loan worth 50,000 pesos due after 1 year and 3 months with a discount rate of 15%. How much will be the proceeds? Given, final amount is 50,000 pesos, discount rate is 15% equals 0.15. T is 1 year and 3 months, and that is 1 and 3 over 12 or 15 over 12. Let's have the solution. D equals F times D times T equals 50,000 pesos times 0.15 times 15 over 12. D is 9,375 pesos. For P equals F minus D, this is 50,000 pesos minus 9,375 pesos. So our P is 40,625 pesos. Let's have another solution. P equals F times the quantity of 1 minus dt equals 50,000 pesos times the quantity of 1 minus 0.15 times 15 over 12. So P equals 40,625 pesos. Let's have the amount of discount equals F minus P. 50,000 pesos minus 40,625 pesos. So the amount of discount is 9,375 pesos. Let's have other formula. Discount rate. D equals amount of discount over FT. For time, amount of discount over FD. Final amount of discount over dt, or F equals P all over 1 minus dt. Let's have an example. What is the simple discount rate if the proceed is 85,000 pesos from a loan of 100,000 pesos payable in 3 years? Let's have the given. Final amount is 100,000 pesos. P is 85,000 pesos and our T is 3 years. Let's have the solution. Amount of discount is F minus P. So, 100,000 pesos minus 85,000 pesos. Amount of discount is 15,000 pesos. Discount rate equals D over FT. 15,000 pesos all over 100,000 pesos times 3. Discount rate is 0.05 or 5%. Let's have another example. How long will it take for 50,000 pesos to amount to 72,500 pesos if the discount rate is 6%? Given. Final amount is 72,500 pesos, P is 50,000 pesos, and R is 6%, equals 0.06. Let's have the solution. Amount of discount equals F minus P equals 72,500 pesos minus 50,000. The amount of discount is 22,500 pesos. For finding the time, D over FD, that is 22,500 pesos all over 72,500 pesos times 0.06, and that is 5.17241 years. 5 years, 2 months, and 2 days. Let's have another example. What is the discount of 30,000 pesos for 9 months? At letter A, 4% discount rate. Letter B, 4% interest rate. Letter A, given. Final amount is 30,000 pesos. Discount rate is 4% equals 0.04. And the time is 9 months equals 9 over 12. Solution. Amount of discount equals F dt equals 30,000 pesos times 0.04 times 9 over 12. So the amount of discount is 900 pesos. For letter B, given. Final amount is 30,000 pesos. Rate is 4% equals 0.04. And the time is 9 months equals 9 over 12. Solution. P equals F all over 1 plus RT equals 30,000 pesos all over 1 plus 0.04 times 9 over 12. And that is 29,126 pesos and 21 centavos. Amount of discount equals F minus P. So 30,000 pesos minus 29,126 pesos and 21 centavos is 873 pesos and 79 centavos. Let's have another example. The proceeds of a 2-year loan is 120,000 pesos. If the discount rate is 12%, how much is the maturity value? Given. Principal is 120,000 pesos. Discount rate is 12% or 0.12. Term is 2. Solution. F equals P all over 1 minus dt equals 120,000 pesos all over 1 minus 0.12 times 2. So F equals 157,894 pesos and 74 centavos.